Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. In this video we will try to understand the new tool LOC calculator and we will see what features are available in the option chain. We will understand everything in detail. So if you want to understand all the concepts properly, make sure you watch the video from start to an end. So basically it is a data analyze platform. This helps you to understand what the next possible of the move of the market could be, and you can analyze directly it from here itself. Okay, so let's move ahead and we'll directly come to our main topic. Here you can see first of all live option chain, split screen, historical, scalping and so on. So we will understand these all things in the detail. On the upper side you can see something displayed. What does it shows? First of all, it shows the NSE Nifty. This is our symbol and the exchange. Okay, and the symbol and the exchange names are mentioned here. By clicking on the NSE Nifty, you get the exchange and symbol name. Okay, so when you will open any option chain contract, you will first of all this exchange and symbol name will appear here. Okay, so basically we have four things here. First, exchange, symbol and data date and data time. Okay, moving towards the next, this is the expiry range. Okay, after that, moving towards the next, here it is the multi-strike graph. Okay, multi-strike graph. Let's now see in multi-strike graph. Here are the charts of the graph shown here. Okay, so what so we are clicking here on the filters of the multi-strike graph. You can see here the charts below ATM and charts above the ATM. Like if you want two charts below ATM and two charts above the ATM, you can select, you can save here and the charts will be appeared. Okay, so now, and the next feature is the percentage. Okay, percentage of volume OI and change OI. Okay, by clicking change OI, so you get the percentage graph of the change OI, and by clicking towards the volume you get the percentage volume graph, and by OI you get the OI percentage graph. Okay, now again coming back to the table, in this table the second option we see here is the filter. Okay, right, after clicking on the filter all these features appeared here now. Okay, now see what's that, it's the table filter. You can adjust the table according to your preferences from here. Okay, so first thing is that it is showing the strike before ATM and strike after the ATM. As you can see right now, the upper strike is showing at the top and the lower at the bottom. That is, I have kept the table reversed. If you don't want, then you can turn off and the table and will flip back and become the NSC how provides it. Okay, after this, after this feature we will go in the filter. Here are the futures. You can add the futures, future 1, future 2 or future 3. By adding the future 3 the price will change, and by adding the future 2 the price will also change, and by switching again to the future 1 the price will also change. Okay, after this we are having here the features of rounding Greeks. Okay, like IV, delta, vega, theta, gamma, these are known as Greeks. So rounding Greeks means the decimal. See, like this, I have the delta and IV here. After the point, how many decimal you want, like rounding how much decimal you want, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So by clicking on the filter, from here you can select the rounding Greeks. Okay, rounding Greeks and gamma. After this, what is this rounding percentage? In rounding percentage, you will only get the volume OI and change in OI. See here, volume percent. After the percentage, how many rounding we want? So we can select it from here. Rounding percent 2, 3 or 4 and so on. Okay. After that, we will upload the next features in the second part. So stay tuned and stay connected with me for the part 2. Until then, goodbye and have a happy trading. Take care. See you. Bye bye.